Hi, my name is Kaylee and today I'm going to show you how I make a pet portrait. I will be using HTS Adhesive to cut the vinyl image. First, I will show you the steps that I use in Cricut Design Space to upload my image and then to adjust my image to the size that I need. I will be using an 11 by 14 frame for this project, so first I want to make the height the longest that it can be, which I put around 13.5. Then I scroll to the bottom of the image and I unlock the image so that I can adjust the width separately from adjusting the height. Once I have the height and width where I want it, I like to lock the image again just in case I want to make any more changes to the entire image. Next, I click the Make It button and it sorts it onto mats. For this size project, I have to use a 12 by 24 inch mat.
Hey, sorry for the interruption, but if you like what you're watching, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring the bell to be notified of all new tutorials.
I check to make sure that my Cricut machine is on and ready to connect with my computer. Then I click Continue and I wait for the computer to connect to my machine. Once it connects, I can choose what type of material I'm using. Once again, I'm using HTS Adhesive, so for this I choose Premium Vinyl, and then my machine is ready for me to load my mat with the vinyl on it. I make sure to check all of the settings and now I'm ready to lay out the vinyl on my cutting mat. I insert the mat and press start so the machine can start cutting the image. The next step is weeding. I start at the bottom and work my way up to the top, peeling away as I go. I double check to make sure I have gotten all the small detail pieces. Here is the completed vinyl image. I use transfer tape to transfer the image onto the glass. I make sure everything is aligned and centered by using rulers. Once it is centered, I lay the glass onto the image. I use a scraper to help adhere the vinyl to the glass, making sure everything is nice and smooth. The final step is to assemble the glass into the frame. Thank you so much for watching my video today.
For more tutorials like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.